Hello, this is Jalia, and we are talking holiday glow. So everybody wants a little bit of glitter or shimmer to brighten up their look. So I have a few products that we're going to utilize on Jacqueline today. So we have Jacqueline, she's already been skin prepped. She has a full face of foundation on. And what we're gonna do is go straight into the product. So the products that I have for you today are the Mimi Makeup Dreamer Highlighter. It comes in this beautiful silver case. And look at that. Be sure to visit beautybridge.com to learn more about these fabulous products that we featured, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Beauty Bridge.